Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about string Boolean methods. Ends with method is used to determine whether a particular string ends with particular substring. It returns true if a particular string ends with the substring, else it returns false. Let us see the example of ends with on the console. Is alpha returns true if string contains only alphabet, or else it returns false. Let us see the example of is alpha on the console. Space is not an alphabet, so it returns false. Is alnum returns true if string contains only alphabet and numerals, or else it returns false. Let us see the examples for is alpha on the console. Is digit returns true if the string contains only digits, else it returns false. Example for is digit can be seen on the console. Is space returns true if the string contains only space, else it returns false. Example for is space can be seen on the console. Is title returns true if the string contains title case, else it returns false. Example for is title can be seen on the console. Is lower returns true if the string contains only lowercase characters, else it returns false. Example for is lower can be seen on the console. Is upper returns true if the given string has only uppercase characters, else returns false. Examples for is lower can be seen on the console. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.